special, nature lovers. Today we'll meet a beautiful snake, the green tree python. The green tree python has bright green scales and loves to curl up on branches. When the green tree python rests among the leaves, it looks like a shiny green ribbon in the forest. Hi, little explorers! Today we'll meet a very special insect, the Weta. The Weta lives in New Zealand and has super strong legs. Even though it looks big, the Weta is gentle and loves hiding under leaves. Hi, little friends. Today we'll meet a clever and funny animal, the raccoon. The raccoon has cute round eyes and tiny smart hands. When the raccoon explores at night, it looks like a tiny masked adventurer. Hi, little explorers! Today we'll meet a tiny creature that lives near us, the cockroach. The cockroach has shiny wings and super fast legs. When the cockroach crawls around, it looks like a brave little explorer. Hi, little flyers! Today we'll meet a cute animal that can glide, the flying squirrel. The flying squirrel has special skin that helps it soar between trees. When the flying squirrel spreads its arms, it looks like a tiny forest superhero. Hello, little friends. Today, we'll meet a slow but special friend, the snail. The snail carries a tiny home on its back and loves to crawl after the rain. When the snail moves slowly on the leaf, it looks so peaceful and cute. Hello, little friends. Tamosh, today we'll meet a beautiful insect called the butterfly. The butterfly has colorful wings that dance around the flowers. Tamosh, when the butterfly flutters in the sunshine, the whole garden glows with joy. Hello, adorable little friends. Do you know what I'm holding in my hand? This is a chimpanzee, a very smart and playful primate. When the chimpanzee climbs, it moves so quickly and skillfully. Look! Hi, little ocean explorers! Today we'll meet a beautiful fish called the Moorish idol. The Moorish idol has bright yellow, white, and black stripes that shine underwater. When the Moorish idol swims around the coral, it looks like a sparkling ribbon in the sea. Hi, little bird lovers! Today, we'll meet a colorful parrot called the Budgerigar. The Budgerigar has bright green, yellow, and blue feathers. When the Budgerigar flies in the sky, it looks like a tiny rainbow full of joy. Hi, little adventurers. Today, we'll meet a brave mountain friend, the billy goat. The billy goat has a long beard and strong, curved horns. When the billy goat climbs to the top of the hill, it looks like a tiny, confident explorer. Hi, little ocean friends! Today we'll meet a super fast swimmer, the shark. The shark has sharp teeth and a sleek, strong body. When the shark swims through the sea, everything sparkles with its cool moves. Hi, little friends. Today, we'll meet a tiny but super quick friend, the mouse. The mouse has round ears and a cute long tail. When the mouse runs around the corner, it looks so funny and adorable. Hi, little friends. Today, we'll meet a special horse called the Knabtrupper horse. The Knabtrupper horse has a white coat covered with cute black spots. When the Knabtrupper horse runs across the field, it looks like a moving piece of art. Hello, little friends. Today, we'll meet a graceful bird, the white swan. The white swan has snowy white feathers and a long, elegant neck. When the white swan glides across the lake, it looks like a dream floating on the water. Hi, little ocean explorers. Today we'll meet a giant and royal crab, the king crab. The king crab has big claws and a strong shell. When the king crab walks on the ocean floor, it looks like a real king of the sea. Hi, little explorers. Today we'll meet a strong forest animal, the wild boar. The wild boar has thick fur, a big body, and a super strong nose. When the wild boar runs through the forest, it looks brave and full of energy. Hello, adorable little friends. Do you know what I'm holding in my hand? This is a kangaroo, an animal with a special pouch for its baby. When the kangaroo jumps, it bounces high and fast. Hi, little explorers. Today, we'll meet a cool turtle called the Spiny turtle. The Spiny turtle has a rough shell with tiny spikes like a mini armor. When the Spiny turtle walks slowly in the forest, it looks both cute and strong. Hello, little friends. Today we'll meet a super slow but super cute friend, the sloth. The sloth loves hanging on trees and taking long naps. When the sloth smiles, it looks so peaceful and happy in the jungle.